Taking a taxi to the airport.
Hello, is this taxi free?
Yes, it is. Please get in. Where would you like to go?
Could you take me to the airport, please?
Of course. Which terminal do you need?
Terminal 2. I have an international flight this afternoon.
Okay. Do you have any luggage?
Yes, one large suitcase and this small backpack.
I can put the suitcase in the trunk for you.
Thank you. That is very helpful.
You're welcome. Please fasten your seatbelt before we leave. The road is usually busy near the bridge.
Sure. How long will it take to get there?
About 35 minutes if the traffic stays light.
That sounds fine. My flight is in 3 hours.
Then you have enough time. Do you want the highway or the city road?
Please take the fastest way. I do not want to be late.
The highway is faster now, so I will take that way.
Great. About how much will the ride cost?
It is usually around $45 from here.
Can I pay by card at the end?
Yes, cash or card is fine.
Perfect. The airport always makes me a little nervous.
That is normal. Just check your passport, ticket, and gate number.
I have my passport in my jacket pocket. My boarding pass is on my phone.
Good. Keep it easy to reach.
I can see planes in the sky already.
Yes, we are getting closer. The traffic is still moving well.
Thank you for driving carefully.
You're welcome. I will stop near the entrance for Terminal 2.
Great. I feel much better now.
Here we are. Have a safe flight.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Buying coffee at a cafe.
This cafe smells really good.
Welcome. What can I get for you today?
I would like a coffee, but I do not want anything too strong.
A latte may be a good choice. It is smooth and not very strong.
That sounds nice. Can I have a medium latte, please?
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. It is a little cold outside.
Of course. Would you like regular milk or oat milk?
Regular milk is fine.
Would you like sugar or syrup in it?
Just a little sugar, please.
All right. Anything to eat with your coffee?
Let me see. What pastries do you have today?
We have butter croissants, blueberry muffins, and small chocolate cookies.
The croissant looks fresh. I will take one.
Great choice. I can warm it for you if you like.
Yes, please. That would be great.
Your total is $6.20.
Can I pay by card?
Yes. Please tap your card here.
Done.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in a moment.
Is there a quiet table near the window? I need a calm place for a few minutes.
Yes, the small table by the plant is free.
Perfect. I need to answer one email before work.
Here is your latte and your warm croissant.
Everything looks perfect.
Be careful. The cup is hot. I put a sleeve around it for you.
Thank you for telling me.
Enjoy your coffee.
Thank you. Have a good morning.
Hotel check-in.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Green Park Hotel.
Good afternoon. I would like to check in, please.
Of course. May I have your name?
My name is Tom Miller.
Thank you. Let me check your reservation.
I booked a room online yesterday.
Yes, I see it here. You are staying for 2 nights, correct?
Yes, that is right.
May I see your ID, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. You booked a single room with 1 large bed.
Yes, that is perfect.
Your room is ready now. It is on the 4th floor, room 412.
Great. Is the room far from the elevator?
It is not far. Turn right after you leave the elevator.
Good. I have a small suitcase with me.
The elevator is just behind you, on the left.
Thank you. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 in the morning.
Is breakfast included with my room? I did not see that clearly online.
Yes, breakfast is included. It is served from 7 to 10.
Nice. Where is the breakfast room?
It is on the first floor next to the lobby.
Do I need to show my room key there?
Yes, please show your room key at the entrance.
All right. Is there Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, the Wi-Fi name and password are on this card.
Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Here is your key card.
Thanks. I hope I can rest after my trip. It was a long morning.
I hope you enjoy your stay.
Sandwich shop lunch.
The menu looks big. I need something simple for lunch.
We have several easy choices. Are you looking for meat or vegetables?
I think I want chicken today.
Our grilled chicken sandwich is popular. It comes with lettuce and tomato.
Is the chicken spicy?
No, it is mild. We can add spicy sauce only if you want it.
No spicy sauce, please. I have a meeting later.
Of course. Would you like cheese on the sandwich?
Yes, one slice of cheese, please.
What kind of bread would you like?
What do you recommend?
The whole wheat bread is soft and very good with chicken.
Then I will choose whole wheat bread.
Would you like fries, soup, or salad on the side?
A small salad, please.
Good choice. What would you like to drink?
A bottle of water, please.
All right. One grilled chicken sandwich with cheese on whole wheat bread, a small salad, and water.
That is correct.
Would you like the sandwich for here or to go?
For here, please. I have about 20 minutes. I want to eat before my next appointment.
Okay, your total is $9.50. I will add napkins in the bag area.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Please take this number and sit at any open table.
How long will it take?
About 5 minutes.
Great. I will sit near the wall.
I will bring your order when it is ready.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your lunch.
Asking about a train delay.
Excuse me, is this the help desk for train information?
Yes, it is. How can I help you?
My train to River City was supposed to leave at 2:15, but the board says delayed.
Let me check that for you. What is your train number?
It is train 48.
Thank you. Train 48 is delayed because of a signal problem.
Oh, I see. How long is the delay?
Right now, it looks like about 20 minutes.
Will it still leave from platform 6?
For now, yes, but please watch the board because it may change.
I need to meet my cousin at the station there. It is my first time using this line.
You may want to send a message and tell your cousin the new time.
Good idea. Is there another train before that?
There is one train at 2:30, but it is already full.
Then I will wait for train 48.
That is the best option with your ticket. You do not need to pay again.
Do I need to change my ticket because of the delay?
No, your ticket is still valid.
That is good. Where can I wait?
There are seats near platform 6 and there is a small cafe nearby.
Thank you. I was worried I had missed the train. The station felt confusing today.
You did not miss it. It has not arrived yet. Please relax.
Please tell me if the platform changes.
The board will show it, and there will be an announcement.
All right, I will stay close to the platform.
That is a good idea. Have a safe trip.
Thank you for your help.
At the car rental desk.
Welcome to City Car Rental. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I reserved a small car for 3 days.
Great. May I have your names, please?
It is Tom Miller.
Thank you. I found your booking. You chose an economy car.
Yes, I only need it for city driving and one short trip.
That car is a good choice. It is easy to park and uses less gas.
That sounds perfect. Do you need my driver's license?
Yes, please. I also need a credit card for the deposit.
Here are both.
Thank you. The deposit is not a payment. It will be returned after the car comes back.
Good to know. Is insurance included?
Basic insurance is included. You can add extra cover if you want.
What does extra cover include?
It lowers the amount you pay if there is damage.
I think I will take the extra cover just to be safe. I am driving in a new city.
I understand. Would you like a GPS device?
No, thank you. I can use my phone.
All right. The car has a full tank now.
Should I return it with a full tank?
Yes, please. That avoids an extra fee.
Where do I pick up the car?
Walk through the glass door. The parking area is on your right.
Thank you. Is the car automatic?
Yes, it is automatic.
Great. That makes it easier.
Here are the keys and the rental papers.
Thank you very much.
Drive safely.
Buying medicine for a cold.
Excuse me. I have a cold and I need something simple.
I can help you. What symptoms do you have?
I have a sore throat, a runny nose, and a little cough.
Do you have a fever?
No, I checked this morning. My temperature was normal.
All right. Do you need medicine for daytime or nighttime?
Daytime, please. I need to stay awake at work. I have 2 important calls today and
This cold medicine can help with a runny nose and cough. It is for daytime use.
how often can I take it?
Take 1 tablet every 6 hours, but do not take more than 4 in one day.
Okay. Should I take it with food?
It is better to take it after food or with a glass of water.
Good to know. Do you have something for my throat too?
Yes, these throat lozenges are mild and easy to use.
Are they sugar-free?
This box is sugar-free.
I will take that one.
Please read the label before you take the medicine.
I will. Can I take this if I drive?
This one usually does not make people sleepy, but be careful the first time.
Thank you for explaining.
If your symptoms get worse or last many days, you should see a doctor. Rest and drink warm water too.
All right. How much is everything?
The total is $12.
Here is my card.
Thank you. I hope you feel better soon.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
Job interview.
Please come in and have a seat.
Thank you. I am happy to be here.
We are happy to meet you. Could you introduce yourself?
Sure. My name is Tom Miller. I recently finished my business course and I am interested in this assistant position.
Thank you, Tom. Why do you want to work with our company?
I like that your company helps customers every day. I also want to learn more about office work.
That is good. Do you have any work experience?
Yes, I worked part-time in a small store last summer.
What did you do there?
I helped customers, answered simple questions, and kept the shelves clean.
Those are useful skills. What is one of your strengths?
I am careful and polite. I try to listen before I answer.
That is important in this job. What is something you want to improve?
Sometimes I speak too slowly when I'm nervous, but I am practicing. I try to answer more clearly now.
Thank you for being honest. How do you handle a busy day?
I make a short list, do the most important tasks first, and ask for help if needed.
Good answer. This position also uses a computer every day. Are you comfortable with that?
Yes, I can use email, documents, and simple spreadsheets.
Great. Do you have any questions for me? It is always good to ask before you leave.
Yes, could you tell me about the training?
Of course. New employees have 1 week of training with a team member.
That sounds very helpful.
Thank you for coming today. We will contact you soon.
Thank you for your time.
Office meeting room.
Emma, is this the right meeting room for the team update?
Yes, this is room B. We still have a few minutes before the meeting starts.
Good. I wanted to check the screen before everyone comes in.
That is smart. The screen is on, but the cable is on the table.
I see it. Can I connect my laptop here?
Yes, use the cable on the left side.
Thanks, I have 3 slides for my short update.
That sounds good. Is your update about the new customer list?
Yes, and also about the delivery dates for next week.
Nice. Keep it simple. The manager likes clear points.
I wrote 1 point for each slide.
Perfect. Do you need the remote control?
Yes, please. I want to change the slides while I speak.
Here it is. The green button moves forward.
Great. Can you see the title on the screen?
Yes, but the letters are a little small.
I can make them bigger.
That is better. Everyone at the back can read it now.
Thank you. I always feel a little nervous before a meeting.
That is normal. You prepared well, so you will be fine.
Should I start with the main problem or the good news?
Start with the good news. Then explain the problem calmly. That makes the message easier to follow.
Good idea. The meeting begins in 2 minutes.
Take a breath and keep your notes near you.
I will. Thanks for helping me set up.
You're welcome. You are ready.
Dog walk in the park.
Tom, could you hold the leash for a moment?
Sure, your dog is very excited today.
Yes, Max loves this park. He knows the path very well.
He is walking fast, but he is not pulling too hard.
That is good. I am teaching him to walk slowly near people. He is still young and learning.
The park is busy this afternoon.
It is. The weather is warm and many people are outside.
Should we stay on this path or go near the lake?
Let us stay on this path first. The lake area has more bikes.
Good idea. Max may get nervous around fast bikes.
Exactly. He is friendly, but loud sounds can scare him.
Do you walk him every day?
Yes, twice a day. A short walk in the morning and a longer walk in the evening.
That is a healthy routine for both of you.
It really is. I feel better after walking too.
Max is looking at that bench.
He knows we sometimes rest there.
We can sit for a minute if you want.
Yes, let us stop. I also brought some water for him.
That is smart. He looks thirsty.
Here, Max, drink slowly.
He is calm now.
Yes, this is his favorite part of the walk. He likes to watch people pass by.
I like this quiet place. You can see the trees and the open grass.
Maybe next time we can bring a small ball for him.
That would be fun.
Thanks for walking with us today.
Anytime. It is a nice way to end the day.
If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English videos, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with a new story.